Bro, I'm gonna throw this cube.
Come on, go.
Throw it.
Not too far. Home run.
Hurry.
Okay.
Bro, just walk. Bro, just walk. You, bro, ready?
I videoed you entire time.
Eh, no, don't you dare. Don't you dare post that on Facebook. I'm gonna get doxxed.
Oh, thank you for that idea. I was just gonna
Bro,
I was just
ready?
gonna keep it in my
Bro,
thing.
bro, ready? I'm gonna throw it again.
Oh no!
Hey, okay, bro. No, way. No way, that's you. How did that break?
Oh no!
Can it be fixed? It can definitely be fixed, right?
This part is broken.
But can you fix it though?
Yes, because it's only this part.
Did you take the other parts?
Yeah, I have all two. I have the two.
Stop the video right now.
Hello guys, this is my fixing video
Yes.
tutorial.
How to fix a Rubik's Cube first.
So if you have this problem, you just insert it back like this. You do any color first, like this, and then just do this.
This is by a trained professional. No Rubik's Cubes were hurt in the making of this video. In the making of this video,
It's actually a little broken.
in the making of this video, no Rubik's Cubes were harmed.
You were the one that threw it.
Shh, the friends are watching. This video is done by a trained professional. First, let's go to the ad.
Ad?
Thank you from our sponsor, Genshin Impact.
Genshin Impact?
Genshin Impact is a wide variety game. Use code NINJOCALYX to get 50 million gems as soon as you start.
There's no gems in Genshin Impact.
There is now. We will ask the making of this video. Genshin Impact will be sponsored. So please
We didn't even
go back to the.
sponsor it. We didn't even
Let's go.
sponsor that company, bro.
Let's go back to the video.
We're just making up shit.
The fans are watching. Watch this trained professional Rubik's Cube maker fix his Rubik's Cube.
Let's go, it's fixed. I just need to put this in. And now, we just look it.
Voila! Your new Rubik's Cube has now been built. Share this to a friend to tell them how to fix their own Rubik's Cubes if they're broken. This is Ninyo and Calix signing off.
Okay, now that was serious. We're not signing off yet. We're just videoing for fun. Yo!
What is it? Wait.
No, you took a picture! you took a screenshot.
Wait, bro, let's play chess.
Okay,
Stop.
go. Okay.
Wait, stop the video. Pause the video. Stop the video. Let's make a new one about chess.
Okay. Hold up, it's dirty now. The screen is dirty. Okay guys, follow for part 2 of random shit. Bye bye.